watching the world go by. Think about the flow of things. Oh, check it. That today's a better day.